Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just thought I'd make a video about this vape I got today. It's an 88 Vape Classic Pen Advanced, and as you can see, this is unopened as I got it today. And yeah, the pack contents, it consists of a CO4 clearomiser, which basically consists of the coil, and it's basically a vape cap where you put the nicotine, or well, basically where you put the e-liquid down the sides. You unscrew the top, and it features a 650 milliamp hour battery, and the pack contains a USB charger. Please note that you shouldn't use a mains plug with the USB charger to charge this vape up, because the vape might overcharge and break. Basically, you should charge it using the supplied USB charger, but plug the USB charger into a laptop or other suitable USB port for the safest charging. So yeah, this vape, I'll open it up. As you can see, it comes with the USB charger on the right, and the top part plugs into the top part of the vape. The cap, the clearomiser unscrews from the black part here. The black part is the battery part. The clearomiser unscrews, and you take the cap off there, cap off the mouthpiece, and then you unscrew the black part under the cap on the mouthpiece, and you fill the clearomiser up with the e-liquid of your choice down the sides of the clearomiser. Be sure not to get any e-liquid inside the middle part of the clearomiser, as it won't work properly and it will lead to bubbles. And also, it's a 5-click on vape and a 5-click off vape, so to switch it on, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it will flash and it's on. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch it off, it will flash, and it will switch off. So when you press it again, it won't work. So you have to switch it back on again to make it switch on. And I'm lucky that this has been pre-charged slightly anyway. I find that these vapes come with a bit of charging from where I buy them, but yeah, you should charge them up before use really. This vape is very good value, I find, at $8.99 for this kit, and I buy the clearomisers for it. They come in a pack of 3, and you can also buy e-liquid from anywhere else of your choice. I think you can use any nicotine e-liquid in here, but be sure, consult 88 Vape to be sure. Yeah, basically, this is a slight review of this 88 Vape Classic Pen Advanced. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.